Abuzia ya mama achia mama kwa bebra so mamuni ya maudo biso nsamo ya kekesi eni anope yeba na yede eba besom wa haye Sompa television South Yenka au Bruno ya fumantem ne mu a haye Sompa 98.9 FM se wo Bruno East ya Sompa 90.7 FM ekutemu na asantemantam ne mpotamo nyina so no Sompa 93.1 FM ekura yemu anope nsam ne doso chocho for Penima Ghana Federation of Labor HS Senate hotels bi omo kwa kotonye no on the on faso bo mo bia se de wosi o manem or straight board no so no wono enedi wo mo hwamo da Bena Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia or de ne running mate din eba betoja prasbe gani bi SMPP for so rano omo emane nyina home no mo nya se omo de ja egu ne chem no and enkra pumpuremantem so afoso so kire se omo edenhyehye egu akom se Bena fi omo afase no ombedie no ebeboama awne die hun sensem etu empon weni afofro pino a ene akekese ene se kase ababia wo bia na no pay ye ba na ye de ababe somwo mede edi na ya bo ma libia bogabsi afo ye breda finsam no ye nkomo ankasa emfa emmamo ye de mo ehas ye de free senate omo hotels ben na bia ababeto gwa so omo ton de abamra se gani o womra se ge fima de sia e woko abetifi abaton pesua so no akro no a esaso ya Greek minister Yera Brian Champon a hon sensema kwa bebrebe ye nam so krama honorable Samuel Okuje to Ablakwa ne dom tisi montene so ye kire kasa ho ye hu dedia enam so ma Ghana adwumafo ababonte kire so mo de dede ye kwaso nyina ene ye beton ye nton omo emfa so bonkobo bia se opani a wo si Ghana adwumafo nyina nam wo senate board no so no wo so mo de subo ekokobo no owura eye Abraham Kumsina wono ene ye twetwofo Penima Ghana Federation of Labor and on some chefo din come on watch say enya honorable Samuel Okuje to Ablakwa ena asem obeka obebo so ana so obeka wansem ewo afidie so mo tibia na nka omo kro no mo ye adwumanfo no a omo do omo sika akwa senate a senate dibia akwa to hotel ya omo ade ye adwuma ama omo nya so mfaso de ahwa adwumanfo na omo kro no omo nim se bebisa ekoso eno nti omo de so omo kapa de a owura na osu omo nem ewo senate board no so no wono ena adu omo hwamo ono mom na nko se nko besi bibi de kire wonum se yanom ei de ekonie ni de banie eninte bia anamo asenete etuoni wa mesi wo mo de che eno mokote yesesa de wi ekoso.
And we are asleep because our relatives, I blame them and I'll continue to blame them for misrepresenting us. These discussions started from 2018. This sales started discussing from 2018. It was only after Honorable Ablakwa raised issues he went to trial before some of us heard of it. But what the reps should be doing was to brief us about what goes on there at the Senate board. And this very serious issue of selling of strategic assets, and look at the location of this facility. You want to sell this out and really bring this thing to our attention. Look, if we had heard of it, this demonstration that happened last week, it would have been just something. Mobilize the whole country workers, including those in the informal economy, to hit the streets. Why? Why do you sell our assets? And look, me, I'm not even concerned about who is buying and all that. Yes, it's an issue. But why should we sell such assets? For what? For how much? If we know that Brian Champon has the capacity to run the Senate facilities, why don't we employ him? We could have employed Brian as the CEO to run the hotels for us. Because they can't complain. State can't complain of money. Because look, every month, they need not go anywhere to go and look for loan or whatever. The inflow from the contributions just come in. If you are an employer and you default payment, you'll be in trouble. So the dues is coming. And so I don't see why they have challenge with capital. What is it? Look, we will have to make sure that the National Pensions Act itself is amended.
Abzanfonti weye ayora Abraham Kumsin yetene kanona yetwetwo for Penima Ghana Federation of Labor ena okyerese opani no a osi adwumayefo nyina nem wo senate board no so no wono ena hwamodie no yemfa enkoma no afi yemfa monko amanyusem mo sese amanfo obusa brekro potia Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia de ne tuapemu ne onen be kabum aprema mpani adwana fi abatonum no brekro potia odi ne di beba betu gyache se enkomodi akwako epinu na wochi atwa mu na beto dwase bie na mpenimfo ayem fifimu bi ehwe de omo fi se osefata Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia yinu a ebebo MPP amanyuko na mo break the 8 no omo timi ayo eno ena mraso edwani obo mraso edwafima adesia o second year abaton pesia so onabo Andrew Japan Mesa esre MPP amanyuko chitafo ne MPP mpenimfo se Vice President so mo mane bre no mo eja pressure bi no a aso mo ede egu no so no a enka ebebo pa.
Thankfully, his spokesperson has spoken and has indicated that he has made up his mind a long time ago, as to who he is going to go with. And so, even though I'm not in a position to confirm what's in his mind, if it coincides with what the survey has generated, then you would have people wanting to conclude that maybe it's because of the outcome of the survey that has led him to make the choice that he intends to make. It may not be fair. And so that's why I feel that putting this confidential, as is described, document out there in the public domain may not be fair to His Excellency the Vice President, Dr. Bawumia. I think we should leave him. He's been at the role for 8 years. He's been in politics actively for 16 years. He knows the terrain. He knows what he wants and who assist him in executing the mandate that the good people of this country he's seeking from. And so to make it look as if he's being pressured or that what the party grassroots necessarily is saying is what he has to go with, I don't think is fair.
Observanti we eye second day mraswe dwani ono Andrew Japan Mesa ne yete ne nkering na eye Vice President say de obeyi no se de tu apemu no ne no apre afi mampani adwa no honkomo and also party impeding for some money bre ene adaje no enkra pompone mantem musoafo era Daniel ni kwate titles glove and watch say and she impeding for ye edi afi afashe homo no wo mo ayepi na eni da kwan se bosumi aye kwako remu no o metete emontene so atete gatem no mo aprapra montene so na amankra pompone mantem ahune di apeja no watch say akade bia impeding for so mo de ma ema sa die no wie peyo no wono mo aye bola chense bola ka emunketu mu akese aposifo ne bambo adwumafo a also mo ba ebeka ho yire bambo nyina no o matutu sa na mo nyina wi a o mo ewatwene yem se breduru ho no mo a se o ye pani se o ya kokora se o ya brewa agimje ne yemfie ho nyim na nkrapompene mantamu ahone die ho nsensem mpega.
Mobilize about 30 compaction trucks, over 30 motorized cycles, aboboya taxis, several quantities of Wellington boots, trash bags, PPEs, shovels, spades, and long brooms. Additionally, we have about 1,500 security personnel and a dedicated task force comprising Asafwacheme and
Obsia ti we swafo wona hwenkra pompene mantamu so ra ni quite titles glover ena yete no enken oswafo a ohwe enkra pompene mantam no mu eso ena yete ne kare yento aso na yemfamo enko aposifo atena ye na aposifo de ababetu gase basabasa ye bia ekoso ewo pusiga ye watifido apoye mantem ne muo no abusafo no mahyase a wono mo afifimu no mo ahwehwem na de kofa sabasabasa ye ne ba ye no wo mo de ehunsunsanso ababeto eye Ghana man adesie enim na Ghana Police Service mpedinfo kyerese na no memenda araho sembi esi won potem wono ma ase nipa binimo de ekwakoya amanyosem se politics ene kofa sa ne ma na eba ye no posi adwuma na kyerese omo mfifimu o ma ye enkyere se eyamanyosem ene kofa sa mentim wase ba ya yesem na ntene maba wo mo pusiga bonten so wo tifido po emantem ne mo wo mo edikobo mu a wiase na manfo japade pinu a wo mo assesse no wo empotem wo mo kyerese entutue bia ene enhwemu bia wo so mo ye bia no wo mo ahyase a wo mo eyema obi bia sabasa ye koso nam so ma manfo japade eseseye sesa manfo ne ma pinu obi bia onimu hu bie ene wo mu a enam mo so ma asade ne koba ye bia na posifo hyebo se omba yeyire omo nyina amanta mo se bro nyankoko a omo edegya ho do makwa kugina mra no amamra ene wo no mo ede no akiri posi adwuma de aba betu gya so omo a omso so omo twaka e wo pusiga ne mpotamo se ya hemfo se ye nyamesom feku ahodo no musumifo ne kristofo mpenimfo nyina no wonoma ahyase ne omo edidi nkomo ama omo nyina aboa ema eye mfifimu no etimi awie pe omo kire se bambo so magire mu pa e wo pusiga ne mpotamo se beyo na eniema enkonko jinsem wei eya amane a abusafo ye tete de free pusiga ye wo etifido apoye mantam no emum ye twaso na Consumer Protection Agency mpenimfo na ono mo chese akado penti no a ewo Ghana ye dwa hodo so no nyamenem ne yedodo no ahwe dan hu ba bi efire se ekofa firi he se hwan na ye se ede enuro ena omo frafra ye no nto munya sa paint no kese ehon sema kwakwa epi ena paint no so ye ka ho asem sa no so ankofa du papa mfa ankoye na obi di kotwini dem de kotwini fie na enuro no okohumi bi ekonimu a nsunsanso ebenya woni padua so no ya na hadwene panto mo sre Ghana Standards Authority ne mperinfo se enene kine ya paint egu Ghana mema sei no ebi woso so enuro omo de ye no ano ehyedodo a o se enene kine ya omutu hu anamo ora Capito and a penida Consumer Protection Agency.
Don't come with labels and inscriptions for you to be able to advise yourself as to whether if you have some illness, contrary to what is in the paint, you'll be able to. No, it doesn't come with it. The Standard Authority, they are mandated by law to make sure that paint, whether imported, manufactured locally, should be able or should come with labeling.
Observe to where a ora Kofi Capito bono and a penny conchair for that Consumer Protection Agency and no and na omo etwe adwene de akwakosi penti no a we dwa so a dodo no a nro omo de ye ano hye na ehu de eneme manipadua eno nte wo se Ghana Standards Authority ne mpedimfo etu omani de ekokotwe ye to aso na ye de mo akomfimfi mantamo abusafo na no fiada no anajo arahusem bia esi ye ma post ni bi hwe ne nkwa ya ewo eyegumua ene ne mpotemu abonten so no kese akwakọ ya arahusem a aposifo ne kese omo de hye abusia omo de hye ni post ni kese bebre na omo dwere ho omo ntiase ade ya se driver ni bia na kese ne car na wo twie no se wada car na wo twie no wada ena police ni no so eja ye de na kwa akogina kwa ho se wo mo ban bari ya ebi ena kese omo gira ho no mo ban na driver ni ne de car na eba no se car no a kese kuta no a wada no hwi ena kese wode ekutwifa police ni so a amzafo kro ni yese afre no gomua mpota na yesi arehosemi si na no fiada anajo be 11 numu honomo na sa arehosemi esiye na posi ni aye ka no ho asemi ne di ayensa ka Steven Nikwe a yesi oye na dwuma wo Winneba Divisional Police Command oye na dwuma wo Winneba Divisional Police Command yesi sa kia track ibio na yesi wasesa ne niema wode eba besina kona sa na dwono da vani no wo twikia no wada and I can wode basa na car no so registration number GR6419N GR6419N and I just say wodi kukutia posini ya azafosi ene mo kase waye nyankopon edia yentete echese ebasa no ene emema mro ni pamra memamra no omo ema no so ede ne kopie Winneba Trauma and Specialist Hospital ma doctor for senkeja omo enye bi empre posini nkwamfama no nenso emfa ho ene ndi omo ye nyina akire no na gese wo krade a enkwa entimi enye a kiayi akwakotwa fa posini no so na wakuno ya ewo eye gomwa enene mpotemu yɛtoa so na yɛde mo aba ɛyɛ asante mantemu na yɛde mo ba afo no southwest abaton pesua so asantemantem ase ye tete a ye tete ene se enkronkro beduasa nwotwe 38 communities ya womo ewo afano southwest abaton pesua so asantemantem esre vice president Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia says wakaka nani na wayobi a obey no running mate ni tua pemu afia bato no mu a womo ebesre vice president Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia odi MPP amanyuko ni makọ afia bato no says wakaka nani no ye CCC a ma me akoso ya fremo se opare no mu fi so sefata se oyinu se no running mate
onye mam fremo se opare na onye running mate ye odom ha ye fifi me bebre na aba se Dr. Bawumia yewura Dr. Bawumia fremo se opare a obeboa na ye bekọ mmea so akodidiga ni aboma me no dawo se de be tumi a ope no nsa betumi aka no ntentem so tiesre yewura Dr. Bawumia said, only a mammy from ourselves party. No from all party, no vote. No from all party, no vote. No from all party, no vote. That's a get the 4 bay. I have for no southwest. Kusu market anyway. The market in Yakus from Qua, if you never brave, probably brave. You're so and then from your bra. Pasaso iba tapapo nyaba afi kumasi fo tano so ebuakwa mensia
Auzianti we eye gadifo a womo ewo ahafo no southwest abaton pesua so asantemantem na yeti wono enken yedemo ekọ eye sene west abaton pesua so na opani a wojina dia man pipi abanyuku no sene west abaton pesua no so yera Joseph Kuma ya wono akro no a pene kwanche for that middle belt development authority ano esre party ma eni adehye wo sene west abaton pesua so se ebraso so moto abama no na okosi o manam omrase gesiem na oprempuntuo ni yeyo ede ebro mo sene west ene nempotamu ra Joseph Kuma de ntia ofi se ebraso sa adehye wo sene west ene nempotamu de tumi manu no obobo so say de kire
so yes in the district I think that MPP are buying now when it comes to development ya dear pa and no obia betimi ahu hanu entino mesre minianum I send for say election ba on the 7th amahum puntujuma MPP aye na hanu since 2017 amahum niema make aye na hanu amahum niema aye koso aye entino eso mutimi mame ba den eko parliament na me betwa niema ni na na me sande mo oba
observe wamana nso a eno akire gadifo a wo mu edigwa ewo eye sene west ne mpotamu titiru ene kwame danso gadifo edigwa ho no ye se bebe omote a omo edi omu dwa ne nya kra oso mo bo se dwa no enche bia contractor beba begina so no ye ho adwuma siesi ho no mo se beye no benya baby partner no ma di omu dwa
Makay ladies minianum MPP for sene west for yaba market is e behwe de ekoso in fact they no mo catch them say this is the first time a candidate I see market no mo face a lot of problems na me buy and me be to manu say me ba be tie o mo haw na o maka o mo haw nyina ayeden a kire me na we feel say o mo haw no go an shede nya haw bia e bros bia and MPP aban ne ye leader na Akufo-Addo ana yewura Bawumia sa haw we nya haw nti ma sure mo bo say the omaka nyina na enche bia ema contractor abaso abahanum na niema mo kaye ne nyina no yatimi ayeden aye ama
abusia wona ejina dia MPP amanyuku no wosene west abaton pesua so ene yetene nke yejina we so na no pay nsamo e papa no de besom no ye de mo asi ni asore ama man hina asaso atranse bio dia de ache bia adwumade abusia asaso ababetua mo so ebio ano pay kuku na chinchin fidie de mamie azuka ekoba gesisi mpremu Calvinum and a boy chidoma baby will be an itimi ba ye baba some womidi edina na yabo amalibia bogano pesos na busia ya mama chin ebia
21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia